Without effective IT asset management, businesses face problems such as asset overspending, underutilization, license non-compliance, security vulnerabilities, and lack of visibility into the IT environment. Today's question is, how do we go about building a great IT asset management practice? There is a right way and lots of not so great approaches. Let's take a look. The best approach to building an efficient and valuable asset management organization is by starting with business outcomes and mapping the technical details to them to help ensure that the data you collect and use for IT asset and configuration management is relevant and aligned with organization's business objectives. This will help to improve the quality of the data collected as is tied to the specific business outcomes and goals. By focusing on the business outcomes first, IT organizations can determine what data is important and how it should be used to achieve these objectives. This can help to eliminate collection of unnecessary data that can result in poor data quality and data overload. Once this top-down approach is established, we move on to building a great asset management function using three-phased roadmap. In the first phase, organizations need to identify all the IT assets that they have across their infrastructure. This includes hardware, software, and cloud-based assets. One key component of this phase is to establish a baseline of the inventory and ensure that all assets are accurately discovered, classified, labeled, and assigned to the right owners. This phase can be a challenge as organizations need to balance the need between comprehensive asset discovery and data quality. The key point is not to boil the ocean. Only gather relevant information at the right depth that will solve your priority business outcomes. We are back to that top-down approach again. Other asset types and attributes will be incorporated in later iterations. By narrowing your field of vision, you can focus on improving data quality far more quickly. Phase 2 involves managing assets through their entire life cycle from procurement to retirement. This includes tracking their location, managing software licenses, and ensuring that they are up to date and patched regularly. This phase is where organizations can establish processes to ensure the assets are kept secure and compliance requirements are met. Additionally, this phase can help identify gaps and inefficiencies in asset management processes that can be addressed to improve overall effectiveness. Finally, organizations can optimize their IT asset management processes by utilizing the data and insights gained in the previous two phases. This phase involves developing a strategy for continuous improvement, identifying areas where processes can be streamlined, and identifying areas where automation can be used to improve efficiency. Organizations can leverage application dependency maps to help identify relationships between assets and applications, which is invaluable in change and incident management processes. In summary, the top-down business-focused approach combined with the three-phase roadmap provides a comprehensive framework for building and operating an efficient asset management function. By breaking down the seemingly daunting prospect of building a comprehensive end-to-end process into three distinct phases, organizations can establish a solid foundation for accurate inventory management, establish processes for effective management of assets, and continuously improve their processes over time while delivering real business value throughout the entire journey. If you want to hear more, why not visit us on fusiongbs.com.